Hello students, good evening everybody. In the previous class, we solved exercise 13.1, 13th problem. Now, look at this 14th question, first bit. Limit of x tends to 0, square root of 1 plus x cube, square root of 1 minus x cube upon x square equal to, if you substitute the limit, what happens you know, root 1 minus root 1, 0 upon 0, usually it is called indeterminate form, as I told you, that is called indeterminate form. So I'll take again the given limit x tends to 0, square root of 1 plus x cube minus square root of 1 minus x cube by x square equal to, now rationalizing term is in the numerator, so the numerator should be rationalized, right? So with rationalizing factor I am going to take, what is the rationalizing factor of this numerator? Square root of 1 plus x cube plus square root of 1 minus x cube by square root of 1 plus x cube plus square root of 1 minus x cube. So what did I do there? Multiplying numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor of numerator. Since multiplying numerator and denominator by RF of numerator. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Numerator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So can I write a square minus b square? Same step, x square into root 1 plus x cube plus root 1 minus x cube. Since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Got it? Clear? Now square root gets cancelled. Remaining terms you write. What is remaining here? 1 plus x cube minus 1, minus into minus plus x cube. Be careful when you write that step. Before bracket there is minus symbol. So inside the bracket the symbols will be changed. So square root of 1 plus x cube plus square root of 1 minus x cube. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0. X cube plus x cube, 2x cube by x square into 1 plus x cube, 1 minus x cube. Right? 1 x square gets cancelled here. So one more x will remain. So limit x tends to 0, 2x by root 1 plus x cube plus root 1 minus x cube. So there is no other alternative here. So in the place of x what should you keep? 0. That means 2 into 0 upon root 1 plus 0 plus root of 1 minus 0. So anyway 0 by something, 2 zeros are 0. 0 by something is 0 only. So the answer is 0. So limit x tends to 0, root 1 plus x cube minus root 1 minus x cube upon x square equal to 0. So what is the answer for the question? 0. Let us see the second question. Same model, second question also. See the second question. What is the question? Limit h tends to 0. Here h is there. Square root of x plus h minus square root x upon h. So immediately in the place of h keep 0. Then immediately what should you get? 0 by 0. What do you call this form? Indeterminate form. Right? So immediately take the given limit again. Limit h tends to 0. Square root of x plus h minus square root h by limit h tends to 0. Square root of x plus h minus square root x upon h into, now the rationalizing factor of numerator is square root of x plus h. Here we have minus root x, right? So plus root x upon square root of x plus h plus root x. So what did you do here? Multiplying both numerator and denominator by RF of numerator. Okay, simple. RF means rationalizing factor. In the place of minus we have to multiply and divide with the plus symbol, that's an opposite symbol. Limit h tends to 0. Numerator looks like a plus b into a minus b, algebraic formula. A square minus b square upon h into square root of x plus h plus root x. Right? So what is since here? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Right? Now square root gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0. X plus h minus x upon h into root of x plus h plus root x. X gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0. Take h by h into, you should never cancel here, right? Plus root x. Now you can cancel it. So what is remaining here? Limit h tends to 0. 1 upon square root of x plus h plus root x. Now in the place of h keep 0. Then what is happening here? Root x plus root x. By the way, 2 root x. So therefore, limit of h tends to 0, square root of x plus h minus square root x upon h equal to 1 by 2 root x. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. So what did I do here? Rationalizing factor of numerators. Okay. Thank you.